I am Dr. Sathish. I am a senior consultant surgeon in the Department of Minimal Access Surgery, Metabolic Surgery and General Surgery at Columbia Asia Referral Hospital, Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore. A hernia can come back after a mesh repair if the procedure has been performed inappropriately or if the size of the mesh that has been used at the time of surgery was inappropriate. The other common factor for a recurrence of a hernia is the patient factor. If the patients do not follow a strict advice as given by the operating surgeon and try to lift weights or resume other physical activity at an earlier stage after the surgery, then a hernia is likely to come back. Otherwise, there is no way that a hernia can come back. But there are instances wherein a patient has undergone an umbilical hernia repair and he comes back with a hernia in the groin region. Then most of them relate that to a failure of the umbilical hernia, which is not so, because such patients have a tendency to develop a hernia at other sites because of deficiencies of protein C and S. There can be a familial tendency, or the work pattern of the patient itself can be in such a way that they are more prone for hernias, like the people involved in gyms, because they do a lot of weightlifting wherein they do not have any other option but their profession. As a result of which, once they have undergone an umbilical hernia repair, they are more prone to develop a groin hernia repair, and vice versa.